Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create an anime looking figure of yourself using PhotoDirector. So open the app and go to AI Magic Studio, and here you can find AI Anime. Click on it and choose the image you would like to work with. After that, select a style you prefer. I will go with kitty this time, but you can also choose Sakura style, bikini style, maid style. You just have to wait a few seconds while AI is doing magic with your image. Here we go, very nice. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your file. Thanks for watching.